The exact reason people don't get views from shorts. Not because their shorts aren't good enough or their content isn't bad. After researching hundreds of YouTube shorts, I found the exact 4 reasons. And these are the only reasons, not the title, description, or hashtag problem. So let's understand the 4 reasons that you should improve to make your shorts go viral. Before I explain those reasons, you need to understand something important: how the YouTube algorithm really works. I made a full video about this, link in the description. So let's start. Reason 1, the first 3 seconds, the hook. The algorithm tests your video on a small audience in the first moments. If those first 3 seconds don't capture attention, people swipe away, and the algorithm drops your reach. Reason 2, visual presentation and pacing. Even if your voice is strong, the visuals must match. Fast cuts, clear on-screen text, and a single visual focus keep viewers engaged. Reason 3, upload timing and testing. Timing can matter, but more important is consistency. YouTube tests different audiences at different times. If you upload randomly, the system may show one video to the right people and the next one to the wrong viewers. Consistent uploads help the algorithm learn who actually loves your content. Reason 4, channel focus and category clarity. The algorithm learns what your channel is about. If your niche is unclear, a mix of many unrelated topics, YouTube won't know which audience to show your short to. A focused channel gets shown to the right people repeatedly. Apply these 4 reasons to your shorts. You'll see big results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.